Welcome to the Skilled MBA Business Strategy Case Study Series, where we analyze real-world leadership dilemmas that shape business continuity and organizational strength. Today's case takes us to Pakistan, where Matcon Pharmaceuticals, a major player in the pharmaceutical industry, is grappling with a leadership crisis. A mass resignation event has shaken the company's foundation, disrupting operations, eroding stakeholder confidence, and threatening its hard-earned market position. As the crisis unfolds, the spotlight turns to the chief executive officer, who must make difficult decisions to restore stability, retain talent, and reinforce trust within a family-owned enterprise. At stake is more than just business performance. This is a test of organizational loyalty, strategic clarity, and the CEO's ability to lead through uncertainty. This case challenges us to explore the nuances of crisis leadership, succession planning, and the emotional complexity of managing a family-led business in turbulent times. Because in moments of crisis, leadership isn't just about strategy. It's about resolve, resilience, and responsibility. Matcon faced a mass resignation, severely impacting operations. The chief executive officer confronted a strategic dilemma, weighing options to stabilize the company. This crisis highlighted leadership challenges and the importance of organizational loyalty. Key insights include crisis management strategies and the significance of maintaining a committed workforce in family-owned businesses. Matcon Pharmaceutical, a family-owned enterprise in Karachi, is led by Chief Executive Officer Noman Sheikh. It boasts a strong domestic reputation and expanding regional export presence. The company's advanced manufacturing facility is a testament to years of strategic investment and growth, positioning it as a key player in the pharmaceutical landscape. The Pakistani pharmaceutical market is fiercely competitive, with over 750 manufacturers vying for market share. Economic pressures, including currency devaluation and inflation exceeding 35%, complicate import conditions for raw materials. Additionally, the talent market is constrained, with a limited pool of experienced executives possessing cross-functional expertise, posing significant challenges to Matcon's recovery options during a crisis. In May 2023, the crisis began with the director of marketing resigning after 5 years. The following week, the entire 28-member sales team resigned. By week 3, 12 manufacturing team leaders and 8 key office staff left. In the final week, the export manager resigned, redirecting international clients to competitors. The sudden departure of key personnel led to a drastic decline in sales and production capacity. Revenue generation plummeted, and operational efficiency was severely compromised. This disruption highlighted vulnerabilities in the company's reliance on specific individuals for maintaining business continuity. The leadership disconnect between the founding family and professional management may have contributed to the exodus. Additionally, competitors offered better compensation, attracting key personnel. Organizational loyalty was fragmented, with allegiance to department heads rather than Matcon Pharmaceutical as a whole. These factors collectively undermine stability and performance. Noman Sheikh faces a strategic dilemma with 4 options: rehire defectors by negotiating new terms, build a new team to reset culture, pivot to a franchise sales model, or sell the company despite economic challenges. Each choice carries distinct implications for Matcon Pharmaceutical's future stability and growth. Rehiring defectors offers the quickest path to operational recovery, preserving customer relationships and institutional knowledge. However, it may raise loyalty issues and necessitate higher compensation, setting a challenging precedent. Negotiations must be tactful to rebuild trust without appearing desperate. Building a new team allows for reshaping company culture and potentially lowering compensation costs. It can improve loyalty through strategic hiring. However, it involves a 6 to 12-month recovery timeline, risks losing customer relationships, and incurs training costs and productivity lags. Pivoting to a franchise sales model involves selecting regional partners with strong networks. Develop performance-based contracts granting territory exclusivity. Implement a robust training program to enhance product knowledge and sales strategies. Gradually scale the network, turning the crisis into an opportunity for innovative business model transformation. Selling the company faces hurdles. A depleted workforce diminishes operational value, and compromised customer relationships weaken appeal. Pakistan's economic instability and currency controls deter foreign investment, complicating buyer interest. Despite valuable manufacturing assets and product registrations, Matcon's market position makes a sale challenging under these conditions. Effective business leadership in family-owned enterprises requires robust crisis response strategies. Building organizational culture focuses on fostering loyalty to the company, not just individuals. Strategic human resources management emphasizes succession planning and retention in competitive industries. Business model innovation involves pivoting operational approaches to address organizational disruptions effectively. CEO Noman Sheikh should focus on strategic human resources management to address the crisis. Implementing robust succession planning and retention strategies could have prevented the mass exodus. Rebuilding Matcon's employer brand requires transparent communication and aligning with Pakistani business culture, while considering how solutions might vary in different markets. CEO Noman Sheikh should consider a strategic realignment, focusing on transparent communication and employee engagement to rebuild trust. Implementing robust human resources policies could prevent future crises. Understanding Pakistani business culture is crucial as it influences decision-making and employee expectations. Solutions may vary in other markets, requiring tailored approaches to align with local cultural norms. Thank you for engaging with this leadership journey through Skilled MBA, Journey to Success with Pride. We hope the Matcon Pharmaceuticals case provides insight into crisis management, trust building, and the strategic agility needed in family-run businesses. Connect with us. Mobile +91 87 553 00795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://skilledmba.com.